Today unboxing is on the Mini GT Mercedes-Benz Actros with the 40 feet container from Maersk. This is a massive unboxing and I'm very excited to have this on hand. It's very heavy as well. I also purchased the Mini GT add-on, and that's the 40 feet container from Evergreen in the same specification as the Maersk, which I will feature in my next video. The box design is just like your regular Mini GT release. On the back, you can see some of the interesting features. You have the adjustable container trailer stand, and also the container with opening doors that reveals the interior with wooden floor finish. Detail 1:64, die-cast metal construction, accurate undercarriage, and wheels that are able to roll well with rubber tires. They come with styrofoam packing as well to protect the casting. That's great, that means that Mini GT take pride in their product. Very delighted. Overall, a 3 parts component: the main body of the Mercedes Actros, the trailer, and also the 40 feet Maersk container. Details for the Actros is awesome. Given the reasonable price point, Mini GT never cut any corners. You can see the effort that's been invested onto the front grille. It's very nice, very awesome. A very huge and tall casting as well, given it's 1:64. It's massive. Very nice paint job in gloss black. What really impressed me is the side mirror that comes in plastic and not in elastic finish. Majority of these Actros comes in die cast. That's very solid. The level of details are insane. It's very cool. This casting really deserves some very nice photography. One of the best casting for 2020, no doubt. I'm very impressed. Realistic wheel sets and rolls extremely well. Next is the trailer. Quite heavy because majority are in die cast. Even the spare wheels are in rubber tires. Very cool. Trailer stand is functional and totally adjustable. To adjust the stand, simply turn anti-clockwise and clockwise. But bear in mind, as the stand comes in plastic and this is still a model car, it's still fragile, so you should handle with care. The highlight to me is definitely the container. This is a very solid block of die-cast metal. Not only it looks realistic, but it feels good and it feels heavy. And Mini GT totally nails it. The corrugated finish is very nice, very uniform. Color is accurate to the Maersk actual container. Opening container door with wooden floor finish. Even the interior is painted, so there's no shortcut for this casting. It's very impressive. I got container like this in my model kit, which I built and painted in 20 feet and 40 feet, and this container looks equally amazing in 1:64 scale. To fit the trailer on the Actros is effortless, and you just need to align the Maersk container onto the trailer. Pretty straightforward, easy to handle, and rolls extremely well. I'm very happy on this Mercedes Actros. The feeling is great because it feels heavy, with a very reasonable price point, with tons of details and no shortcut. The Actros will look perfect, either alone or with any of your Mini GT collection. More Mini GT unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!